a green start for every gardener. Have you ever dreamed of walking into your backyard and picking fresh, vibrant greens for your dinner? Growing your own spinach can turn that dream into a delicious reality. This isn't just about saving a trip to the grocery store. It's about connecting with your food in a truly special way. Spinach is one of the most rewarding vegetables for a beginner to grow. It grows quickly. It's packed with nutrients. The taste of homegrown spinach is worlds apart from a plastic bag. It's a simple joy everyone should experience. When you grow your own, you decide what goes into the soil. Organic, healthy choices. No mysterious pesticides. No long-distance shipping journeys. From bed to plate in steps, not miles. Every bite becomes more meaningful. Some varieties give a light harvest in 4 to 6 weeks, perfect for busy lives. One secret to lush spinach is understanding its personality. Spinach is a cool season crop. It absolutely thrives in spring and again in fall. It really dislikes intense summer heat. Heat and long days cause bolting. Plants focus on flowers and seed, not leaves. For spring harvest, sow as soon as the soil can be worked, about 4 to 6 weeks before your last frost. Don't fear a little cold. Spinach tolerates light frost. Plant early so it matures while cool, giving you a harvest window before heat. Many gardeners prefer fall. Warm soil speeds germination, cool air sweetens leaves. Start sowing 6 to 8 weeks before first expected frost. Shorter days help plants flourish. Fall leaves are often crisper and sweeter. For continuous supply, succession sow every 7 to 10 days. Staggered sowing means steady harvests, not overwhelm. It all starts with the soil. Use plenty of organic matter, compost or well-rotted manure for nutrients and structure. Ensure good drainage and a slightly acidic to neutral pH, about 6.5 to 7.0. Create a smooth, level seed bed for strong germination. In cool spring and fall, aim for full sun. In warmer regions or as summer nears, give partial afternoon shade to keep soil cool and delay bolting. Compost-rich soil. Partial afternoon shade. Loosen soil to about 10 to 12 inches so roots access air, moisture, and nutrients. Remove clumps, rocks, and weeds. For containers, use at least 8 inches of depth and plenty of drainage. Use high-quality potting mix for drainage and aeration, plus a slow-release fertilizer or compost. Set up right, container spinach thrives on any porch or balcony. Choose bed, raised bed, or container. Just match soil, light, and prep. Spinach has shallow roots. Consistent moisture makes tender, flavorful leaves. It can dry out quickly. Aim for about 1 inch of water weekly, from rain or your hose, keeping soil moist, not soggy. Soggy soil leads to root rot. If it feels dry an inch down, water. Use soaker hoses or drip to target roots and keep foliage dry. Wet leaves invite downy mildew. If you must wet foliage, do it early so sun dries leaves. Mulch 1 to 2 inches, straw, shredded leaves, or grass to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Mulch reduces evaporation and heat. Prevent disease with good air circulation. Don't overcrowd. Knock aphids off with a strong spray of water. Invite beneficials like ladybugs, and keep leaves clean and thriving. Beet. The moment has arrived, the harvest. There are 2 main ways to pick. For cut and come again, harvest outer leaves at 3 to 4 inches, and leave the central rosette to regrow. New leaves keep coming. Or take the entire plant. Cut just above the soil line. Do this at any stage, from tender baby leaves to a mature head. Harvest regularly. Frequent picking encourages more leaves. Don't wait for huge leaves. Older ones can get tough and bitter. Young and tender tastes best. Harvest in the morning for crisp, hydrated leaves that store better. Rinse and dry gently. Warm a tablespoon of olive oil, sauté a clove of garlic, then toss spinach just until bright and barely wilted. Finish with lemon and a pinch of salt. Simple, healthy, and incredibly flavorful. Growing spinach is accessible and rewarding, an entry point into edible gardening. It begins with a single seed, and becomes a steady supply of fresh greens. You'll learn timing, soil care, and the simple joy of tending life. Have a backyard? Try a small patch or a raised bed. In an apartment, a few containers, or even a sunny windowsill, can yield surprising abundance. There's always a way to make it work. Expect a few hiccups, bolting, or pests, then observe, learn, and try again. Each season deepens your understanding. Grab a packet, prep a little soil or a pot, and plant your first spinach crop. You have the knowledge to begin. Grow food, grow connection. Happy gardening, and for more tips, like, comment, and subscribe.